Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode on Taste from Home, we're gonna make one of the French staples, the famous crepes. These are really delicious and easy to make. No more than 10 ingredients and you'll have for your loved ones and also for yourself some gorgeous, intriguing crepes that you can serve with jam, fruits, Nutella, whipping cream, etc. The choices are endless. They are perfect for breakfast, for brunch or any kind of occasion that you desire. I hope you are excited about this recipe because we are gonna get into the kitchen. First one, in a large mixing bowl, sieve in 300 grams all-purpose flour. Then add 3 tablespoons white sugar into the flour for a hint of sweetness. Also add in half a teaspoon salt and whisk everything together until combined. Next, we'll crack in 4 large eggs into the mixture. Roughly mix the ingredients together. At this step, we don't have to mix them thoroughly. For the wet mixture, we'll keep it really simple this time by mixing 80 grams melted unsalted butter with 500 ml milk. To combine the two mixtures, we will gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry one in 3 to 4 times. After each addition, you can use your whisk to loosen the batter more and more. Make sure that your crepe batter has the right consistency, not too thick and not too liquid. If you find your batter too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons milk at a time, mix and adjust the consistency. For a smooth and perfect batter, I recommend you to pass your crepe batter through a strainer to remove any lumps remain. Once we have our batter, let it rest for about 30 to 45 minutes before cooking. Meanwhile, we'll prepare our toppings. Today I have here some strawberries and bananas, but please feel free to use any kind of toppings that you like, from savory toppings like mushroom, ham, spinach, to sweet ones like fruits or chocolate. The moment we are all waiting for is here. In a non-stick pan over medium-high heat and lightly coat with butter. Add a small amount of butter. The amount of butter really depends on your pan size, and nicely swirl to completely cover the bottom of the pan. Cook until the sides of the crepe turn lightly brown, about 2 to 3 minutes, then flip and cook the other side for further 30 seconds to 1 minute. Repeat the same step with the remaining batter. With the amount of ingredients I'm using today, we can make around 10 big crepes, so for 3 to 4 servings. Now let's assemble our crepe. I always love spreading a thin layer of Nutella or chocolate sauce on my crepe, then add a generous amount of strawberries and bananas on top. What do you love enjoying with your crepe? What is your favorite topping? Let me know in the comment section below. And all we have to do now is folding the crepe, then adding whipping cream on the side because whipping cream goes great with pretty much everything, don't you agree? Good luck with this recipe and don't forget to snap a picture of your crepes and send me via my social media. I can't wait to see your beautiful and delicious crepes. Thank you so much for watching this video and for the support. I will see you all in my next one. Bye! Mwah!